Hello. In this session, we are going to discuss what is a research aim, a research question, and research objectives. Most of the time, some of the students get confused between these three essential components of a research. So, starting with research aims. Research aim refers to the main goal or overarching purpose of a research project. It addresses the question, what is your research all about? So you have to provide a very specific yet a broad or introductory statement or a sentence that indicates what you are going to achieve by the end of the research. So generally, a research can have a single research aim, but in case if you have more research aims, then you should be stating that in such a way that while clubbing together, it should indicate an idea which is larger than the sum of the parts. So, since this provide a broad or introductory idea about what the research is, it should come in the beginning. And then you have research question, something that comes directly out of your statement of problem. So in research question, you are stating in the form of questions the key issues to be focused in the research. And then comes the most significant aspect, the research objectives. So if the research aim tells us what you are going to do through the research objectives gives an indication how you are going to do this. So research questions are very clear, specific statements that indicates the issues to be focused in our research. And research objectives follow the SMART principles. It should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. And usually we put research objectives in the using action verbs like to examine, to assess, to explore, to compare, etc. To give an example, if your study is to investigate the factors associated with domestic violence, then you can have a research aim stating that this study is to understand the factors associated with domestic violence. And you can think of specific research questions. Is the class status is associated with an increasing incidence of domestic violence, or is alcoholism has an impact on the increasing rate of domestic violence. And when it comes to research objectives, you should be wording it in such a way that to examine the influence of alcoholism on domestic violence, or to examine how the class status or them, or you can also think about the the labor force status, how that has an impact on, or how that affects the rate of domestic violence. And in a good research, you should be having all these three components, and it should be specified in the right manner. Thank you.